Okay, hello, beginning orchestra. So this is our presentation that I will be giving you for Wednesday, September 2nd. So this is just more introductory stuff for me. Some of the slides we had in our previous presentation, but I just want to go ahead and give you this information as we go into beginning our school year. So yesterday, this was on Tuesday, September 1st, we did experience technical difficulties, and I would predict that this won't be our first nor last time experiencing technical difficulties. This will happen time to time, and I can probably assure you that it will happen to your other teachers as well. But what I will say is that I did appreciate your patience and your cooperation. This whole situation is something we're all getting used to, both teachers and students. So if you feel a little uncertain about how to handle all this technology, teachers are in the same place. And so we're both learning how to do this together. But what really helps is when your cooperation, um, when you cooperate with us, and that is how we're going to build a learning community online. So whenever these problems happen, as I state here, there's always a solution. And I have this little quote here because life is not always perfect. There's always some sort of possibility of problems. That's what happens in life. But the problem is not the end. And so it really kind of goes to, I like this picture for resembling this year, because even though we're doing things virtual, it doesn't mean that school is forever going to be different or that it's anything less. It's really just the beginning of something new, which has all the possibility to be better. So class, moving forward from those logistics, is I wanted to pose the question, what is an orchestra? You all sign up for orchestra class, but do we all know what an orchestra is? I don't expect you to know what an orchestra is. Maybe some of you do. Maybe some of you think you know what an orchestra is, but you're not sure. But the point is we're going to discover that. So let's look at Bugs Bunny real quick. So that was Bugs Bunny at the podium conducting, of course, in a very exaggerated way. But then also we have a real video of an orchestra, and here we have the Los Angeles Philharmonic.
In the point of justo, justo means justo. Tan is an allegro. Let's say it's an allegro in control. I think that keep more this dramatic feeling holding the tempo. Not in ritardando or in pesante, but holding all the time the tempo. Pararam, 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 tiririn, 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 pararam, pararam, no, pararam, 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 with the chance to be expressivo there. Okay? 2 before T. two before Dolorita. This jump, tan, tan, we have to be a little bit more pam, pam. You know, they start pam, 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 pam. Two before D, three, and
And I'll stop that there. But as you can see, the conductor, Gustav Dudamel, he makes a lot of different faces. He uses different words and movements to describe the music, because music can't always be described by words. Sometimes you'll see that musicians we will move funny, will use words like come on, give me more, sha sha sha. You know, it's really, music's about the energy we give it, and sometimes words can't describe that, and sometimes we just have to express ourselves of what we're trying to convey. And so a lot of this was focused on a conductor, but an orchestra is violins, viola, cello, and bass, and those are the instruments you'll get to select. So here's a video of myself. Oops. Here's a video of myself conducting, but I'll spare you the time, and we'll do that. I'll show you that during class. So a little bit about me. If you saw the other video, you know, I was born and raised in San Diego. I play mariachi, and I actually have 3 brothers. I'm the middle child. Shout out to my middle child students, and we all play mariachi together. So here is some embarrassing photos of myself. It's just to show you that I was once a kid, and also I was once a teenager. And so it's a phase in life that we all go through, and I just want to show you that I myself, believe it or not, was once a teenager. And so it kind of just shows you that it really doesn't seem too long ago that I was in your place, but we grew up pretty fast. And so music helped me a lot in my life. So whatever I can offer you as a teacher in teaching music, that is my goal. So this was also in our previous slide. I play mariachi. I've performed in many stages all over the world, and these pictures just kind of show you a few of the places I've been at. Same thing for this. This is me at Wagenheim Middle, and this is me at the Museum of Making Music, and then this is me performing with Gabriel Iglesias. So here's more of the debate I want to get into. Is music for talented people? And my answer is no. Music is for everybody. We can all learn an instrument. Everyone has talent. We are all human. And the point of school is to teach you how to learn things. But what music will teach you is, it'll teach you the process of learning. Anyone that picks up an instrument doesn't know how to play an instrument, but it can be learned, and that's where I'm here to guide you. What is the secret, though, to playing an instrument? If you'd say it could be learned, how will we learn? Is it just me that's going to teach you, and then all your problems will be solved? No. We will have to practice. So there's a big, important priority to practicing, and that is where it's the only way really to improve yourself in playing music. So practicing. It will be challenging, and I'm going to tell you this, is not everyone's going to sound pretty. And actually all of you, and this is not to upset you, but it's the truth that a lot of us aren't, our instrument, actually all of us, our instrument isn't going to sound nice in the beginning, but we're going to be patient and we're going to learn, because I promise with time you'll be able to. And that's where I come in the picture. That's where I am here to help you and tell you what to practice so that when you're at home, you know what to do so you sound better. So here are some rules for the orchestra. We will all work together. We will all respect each other together. Music is what brings us together. Let me rephrase that again. Well, not rephrase, let me restate that. We will all work together. That means we will all have a chance to speak to each other, and with that is rule number 2. We will all respect each other in that process. And the main thing is that what we do is music. So music is going to bring us together. That's what creates the orchestra. Music, this class is going to teach you life skills. Learning music is a process, but just like anything in life, you can't always expect things to immediately happen. We have to put in our work, and I promise you, with your hard work and your efforts, you guys are smart students. You guys all have the ability to do this, and it is my duty and my goal as a teacher to bring out the musician that's inside of you. All of you can do it. So you get in what you put in. You get out what you put in. And so I encourage all of you to always give it your best shot, even when you might doubt that. By always being consistent, you'll be able to learn your instrument and enjoy the process of playing music. We all need music. Everyone listens to music. This world could not exist without music. Imagine a world without music. So let's make it a great school year.